guys, so today we're going to be making Oreos ice cream and donuts, milky donut. So I have all my ingredients: crushed Oreos, whipped cream, sugar, condensed milk, and evap milk. So I'm going to just get straight into making my ice cream, and then we're going to be making the donuts. First, I'm going in with my whipped cream. Next, I'm going in with my sugar. This is about 200 grams of sugar. Just going to add that. I'm going with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 cups of evap milk. This is 1. This is 2. 1 cup of condensed milk. So we have all our ingredients in the bowl, so we're going to mix that and then incorporate the Oreos gradually into it while we're mixing. So start on low speed. So I've been mixing for about 3 minutes and we have a pretty good consistency. So I'm going to be introducing the Oreos gradually. I just want to show you guys what we have because we've been mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes and this is the consistency we have. Very, very fluffy. I'm just going to taste it and see. Super delicious. So I did put a lot of Oreos in it, that's why it's not very obvious. So I'm just going to continue mixing for a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 minutes more, and yeah, we can freeze this and we have our Oreos ice cream. Yeah, so I'm fully satisfied with what we have. I'm going to take that out and it looks so creamy and fluffy. Let's see. So this looks really nice. It smells really good. You can see chunks of Oreos in here. So we're going to, if you like hot ice cream, you can take it like this. But we're going to freeze this maybe for 2-3 hours, and then we are good to go. I'm going to sprinkle some more Oreos on top of the ice cream. So this is what we have at the end of the day. I'm going to bring the camera closer to show you. So I'm going to freeze this, our Oreos ice cream, and then we're going to be making our donuts.